Welcome to our state-of-the-art facility. Here we process fresh grapes into pure, delicious juice.
Fresh grapes arrive at the factory and are unloaded for processing.
The grapes are thoroughly washed to remove dirt and prepare them for juice production. The grapes are carefully sorted to ensure only the best quality fruit is used for juice production. The grape stems are removed. This ensures a smoother and higher quality juice.
The grapes are gently crushed to release their fresh juice and natural flavor.
The crushed grapes are pressed to extract pure juice for the next stage of production.
The advanced purification system removes impurities, allowing the crystal clear juice to flow directly into the storage tank for the next production stage.
The filtered grape juice is blended to ensure a smooth taste and consistent quality.
The grape juice is blended to create a perfectly balanced flavor and consistent quality. The grape juice is pasteurized to ensure safety, freshness, and a longer shelf life.
The pasteurized grape juice is cooled to the perfect temperature before bottling.
The cooled grape juice is stored in large tanks until it is ready for bottling. Empty bottles are manufactured and prepared for the grape juice filling process. The empty bottles are thoroughly washed and sanitized before filling. Fresh grape juice is precisely filled into clean bottles, ensuring consistent quality and volume. Each bottle is securely capped to preserve freshness and prevent leakage during transportation. Premium labels are applied to each bottle, giving the grape juice its final branded appearance. The empty bottles are thoroughly washed and sanitized before filling. Fresh grape juice is precisely filled into clean bottles, ensuring consistent quality and volume. Each bottle is securely capped to preserve freshness and prevent leakage during transportation. The labeled grape juice bottles are carefully packed into cartons for safe storage and transportation. Forklifts transport the packed cartons to the warehouse, preparing them for storage and distribution. The packed grape juice cartons are stored in the warehouse until they are ready for distribution.
The finished grape juice is delivered to stores and supermarkets, ready to be enjoyed.